So I've been hearing all about this viral lettuce recipe, and so I've got my lettuce cut up. I've been soaking my lettuce, drain it. I've got a salad. It just makes things so much easier. My stomach is hurting, and I do not like any kind of weird pieces of lettuce. So if anything looks weird, it's out. A lemon, I already have a cut lemon, and I like lemon. I'm big about lemon. It's supposed to be very refreshing supposedly with the lemon. And I don't like lemon seeds in there though, so we'll take those out. Some olive oil, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how much, I just spilled some. I suppose I should probably try to stir this up a little bit. I probably should have had a bigger bowl. Supposed to do a splash of white vinegar. I have the distilled kind. I'm probably putting more than a splash. I swear that vinegar in general will heal my stomach. So whenever I'm not feeling good, I feel like it makes a huge difference. I like a lot of pepper. I mean, a lot of pepper. Not a big salt person, but you can see kind of how much. I said to. Now, the tricky part for me though is I don't have that fancy thing that they do. So I'm just gonna take the grater that I do have. I'll probably cut my finger. I don't have that. I do have something somewhere. Oops. And it is working, believe it or not. I'm not cutting my finger or anything like that. Don't judge me. I probably could do a little bit more than that. I think olives would be really good, like black olives. I can see that being really good. This kind of reminds me of almost like a Caesar salad, sort of. So I'm gonna put some more garlic. So now it's just like normal lettuce, nothing special, but I have a feeling it's gonna taste special. So let's try it. Okay. Olives, definitely olives. It really does taste kind of like a Caesar salad, but not the creamy part. It's good though.